What did Owen do this morning?
I'm opening the door.
And what happened when he opened the door?
And then the mama threw the card.
What?
Threw the card.
Because he opened the door to see if it was cold, and what happened? Was there any sound?
Yeah. Mama said, woo, woo, woo.
The alarm said whoa whoa whoa. And what did you do?
I hurt my hand. I went.
What did you do?
My one. I do it from my head. My one at door.
You ran to the door?
Yeah.
Yeah. Were you laughing?
Yeah.
No, you weren't.
Yeah.
Were you crying?
Yeah.
Yeah. Were you scared?
Oh.
No. How come you were crying?
Crying.
What?
Where's the kite?
You were crying a little bit?
Yeah.
What kind of sound did that door make? The alarm. What sound did it make?
Woo, 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 woo.
And did somebody call? Did somebody call on the phone after the alarm went off?
No.
Yeah.
Who is that on the phone?
The police called, didn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please go.
Police called, right? Okay.
My legs see it.